Hi, this is Skylar with Metro Lexus, and today I'm going to show you two of my very favorite voice commands. Want to see? Okay. We are going to change the temperature of the car. I'm going to press the voice command. 65 degrees.
Changing to 65 degrees.
Stop. What? So I can change the temperature just driving along, just say the degrees, that's it. So the next thing I'm gonna show you is that you can change the radio stations with your voice. Watch this. 90s on 9.
90s on 9.
Oh yeah, my jams. And 107.3.
107.3 FM.
And watch, we can do this for AM as well. Turn to 1100 AM.
1100 AM.
Boom! Isn't that amazing? This is how you're gonna be feeling when you do these types of things with somebody in the car. They're gonna be like, what? I know, it's so cool. So thank you for looking at how I do my favorite voice commands. What are your favorite voice commands? I'd love to learn something new. If you'd like to learn more, because there's lots of other voice commands you can do, you can give me a call here at the dealership. My name is Skylar, and we also welcome you to come to our dealership to experience amazing. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more cool things.